What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing for you a company I recently got in touch with called MySuitTailor.com, an online custom suit maker that really kind of surprised me with what they brought out, what they sent me, what I saw from their brand. Really kind of surprised me. You know, I've been looking at online suit makers for quite a few years now. You know, I've been looking at them. We've gone through some of them here in past videos, and this one did kind of surprise me, quite honestly, with the quality and everything that they sent over. And so today I'm just gonna take you through their process, you know, what makes them different in my opinion, and just share my experience in getting this custom black suit. And for starters, you know, what is My Suit Tailor? What sets MySuitTailor.com apart? Most online suit companies rely on algorithms to churn out suits. That's something that we've seen in the past. It's something you guys probably know. You know, you punch in your measurements and the machine handles the rest to, you know, create the suit for you. MySuitTailor.com takes a bit of a different approach. Every suit is made from scratch by skilled tailors. If your measurements seem off, they don't just go with it. They will contact you if need be, but they will also utilize their own expertise to just fine-tune and adjust the details to make everything perfect. And it's this hands-on, attention to detail approach that really just ensures a better, more personalized fit. And looking at their site here, they offer a wide variety of suits too. I mean, you got your standard solids, gray, blue, black. They've got their patterns. They've got tweed for that more Peaky Blinders look. That's really popular even these days. It's really popular. They got that as well. They even offer premium Italian suits, which I want to focus on for just a second here because this really caught my eye. Their Italian suit options, and they're actually very affordable. You know, Italian suits are usually the higher end of the stuff that's offered by the sites like this, and this one is surprisingly affordable, especially when you look closer at them here and see that each Italian suit features half canvas construction, which means that the suit's chest area has a canvas layer stitch inside. It just gives the suit better structure, a more natural drape, and it just, you know, kind of helps it mold to your body over time. It's a sign of quality craftsmanship, in other words. It's, you know, it's just a sign of good craftsmanship and people that know what they're doing. And it's also impressive to see at this price point, honestly, for what they're offering. Now, let's talk about what I did. What did I do here? What did I get? I ordered this suit right here, the VBC Italian black suit. The process was straightforward. You know, I just entered my measurements on the site there, chose the fabric, personalized the details. A few weeks later, the suit arrived. Easy as that. Plus, check out how it fits. It actually fits without adjustments, without even needing to take it to a second tailor or anything like that. That's a huge plus for me. You have no idea how many times I've tried places like this and gotten something that doesn't fit. It's so annoying to get something in the mail from an online tailor and then have to take it to a tailor to get it fixed. It's really, really annoying. This time though, the fit was absolutely spot on. I didn't need any extra alterations. Once again, the quality I'd say is nice and mid-level. You know, it's a middle ground type of quality here. The fabric is a bit thin on it, but I find it very comfortable as well. Lightweight, breathable. I don't like my suits to be too thick. I don't like it. I get hot easily. I need it to breathe. And one more thing, if you are planning to order multiple suits, My Suit Tailor offers trial garments for fittings. You can test the fit at home before committing to your final order, which I think is an awesome thing to offer. It's like bringing the tailor's fitting room right to your living room. It's just a nice option that they offer that a lot of places actually don't. So in my opinion, is MySuitTailor.com worth it? I think so. I think they're worth it at the very least. They offer personalized craftsmanship, premium fabrics, decent prices. The suit that I got comes in right at $600. And honestly, I've owned suits that are like $150 from places online. And I've owned suits that come in at well over $600. And, you know, when it's all said and done, I'm not sitting here trying to blow smoke and say that they are better than those, you know, big, expensive, personalized places. I'm saying that there is a clear difference here. And in my opinion, they are better than the low-end people. And they have their place like right there on the mid-level that I think is a really good spot to be in. You know, they want you to have that great experience. They want you to not have all that hassle that comes along with it and get a decent price suit on that mid-level quality. And so I think that that's exactly what they've provided. I think it's a really decent option for people that don't want to spend a ton of money on a suit or maybe can't. You know, you want a decent option for your money. this is it right here. On top of that, they were kind enough to offer you guys a coupon code that's worth 15% off. I don't get anything off of that. It's just for you guys. It's in the description there, along with all the links and everything, so you can give their offerings a look, maybe check something out for yourself. All in all here, I think this was a fun experience. I always enjoy looking at these things. I always also am interested in hearing what you guys think. So let me know how you guys think that they compare to some of the other ones that we've looked at in the past. That's all I got for this episode though. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. Once again, all the info for My Suit Tailor will be in the description, including that coupon code. Make sure you use that, save yourself a little money. Make sure you also do the big 3 for me: like, comment, and subscribe. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.